Welcome to the spoken tutorial on multiple and hierarchical inheritance in C++. In this tutorial, we will learn multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance. We will do this with the help of examples. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu operating system version 11.10 and G++ compiler version 4.6.1. In multiple inheritance, derived class inherits from more than one base class. Now we will see an example on multiple inheritance. I have already typed the code on the editor. I will open it. Note that our file name is multiple.cpp. In this program, we will display the name, roll number, marks, and average of the student. Let me explain the code. This is our header file as IOStream. Here we are using the std namespace. Then we have class student. This is the base class. In this we have roll number as integer variable and name as character variable. These are declared as protected. Then we have another class exam_inherit. This is also a base class. Hence, we have two base class here, student and exam inherit. In this we have three variables, sub1, sub2 and sub3 as protected. This is because protected variables can be accessed by derived class. Now here we have class grade, which is the derived class. This inherits the base classes, class student and class exam inherit. In this we have average as integer variable declared as private. Then we have function input, display, average, input exam and display exam as public functions. In this we have total as integer variable declared as public. Then we use input function to accept the roll number and name of the student. In display function, we display the roll number and name of the student. Here we have function input exam. In this we accept the marks of three subjects, sub1, sub2 and sub3. Then in display exam function, we calculate the total of three subjects and print the total. And in function average, we calculate the average. This is our main function. In this we create an object of class grade, which is the derived class, as GD. Then we call all the above functions. This is our return statement. Now let us execute the program. Open the terminal window by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T keys simultaneously on your keyboard. To compile, type G++ space multiple.cpp space -o space mult. Press enter. Type ./mult. Press enter. Here we see enter roll number. I will enter as 3. Enter name. I will enter as Pratham. Enter marks of subject 1. I will give as 67, subject 2 as 78 and subject 3 as 84. The output is displayed as roll number is 3, name is Pratham, total is 229 and average is 76. This was multiple inheritance. Now we will see hierarchical inheritance. Come back to our program. In hierarchical inheritance, multiple derived classes inherits from one base class. Note that our file name is hierarchical.cpp. I will explain the code now. This is our header file as IOStream. Here we have used the std namespace. Then we have class student, which is the base class. In this we have roll number as integer variable, sub1, sub2, sub3 and total as integer variables. Then name as character variable. These are declared protected. Here we have another class, show. This is the derived class. It inherits the properties of class student. In this we have two functions, input and display. These are declared as public functions. In function input, we accept the roll number and name of the student. In function display, we display the roll number and name of the student. Then we have another derived class as class exam. This also inherits class student. You can see that there are two derived class exam and class show. Both the classes inherits the class student. In class exam, we have two functions as input exam and total marks declared as public. Here we access the function input exam. It accepts the marks of three subjects, sub 1, sub 2 and sub 3. Then we have total marks function. It calculates the total of three subjects and print the total. This is our main function. In this we create objects of three classes as ST, SW and EM. Then we call all the above functions using these objects: sw.input, em.inputExam, sw.display, em.totalmarks. And this is our return statement. Now let us execute the program. Come back to our terminal. Let me clear the prompt. Let us compile, type g++ space hierarchical .cpp space -o space HIER. Press enter. Type ./HIER. Press enter. Enter roll number. I will give as 4. Enter name. I will give as Ashwini. Enter marks of subject 1. I will give as 87. Subject 2 as 67 and subject 3 as 97. The output is displayed as roll number is 4, name is Ashwini and total is 251. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Come back to our slides. Let us summarize. In this tutorial we learned multiple inheritance and hierarchical inheritance. As an assignment, create a class, area and perimeter. Find the area and perimeter of rectangle. Watch the video available at the link shown below. It summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The spoken tutorial project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials, gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial Project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the link shown below. This is Ashwini Patil from IIT Bombay signing off. Thank you for joining.